How are you all? Welcome to my podcast, Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. Here I am again with you, sharing the laws of universe and laws of attraction, techniques and concepts. So, in this season 3, I have started with the Abraham's teaching and the 22 processes given by them in their very famous book, Ask and It Is Given. So today I am going to share with you the process which is titled as scripting, which is process number 9. So over here, when this script word come into our mind, it is nothing like but the actual script which we are going to use to direct the movie of our life. Yes, whenever a director wants to direct a movie, first of all he should have a script in his hand. So the script is having all the details about the name of the characters, the places, and what are the dialogues, and what all is required, what is the season, what is the time. Each and every small detail is been written in that script. So over here, to live our life to the fullest, to be the happiest person in the world, we can write the script of our life. So scripting is a process which is like this only. It really works like the scripting of a movie. So over here, many of you know that we usually write this gratitude daily, early in the morning, or whenever we get some time or before sleep. So this gratitude are nothing but the list of the things which we are thankful for the entire day or for the past or the future. But scripting is exactly writing the things which we want in our life, and that is with detail everything exactly as we want it to be. So as we focus clearly upon these things or this desire, and when we write we feel so amazing, and we know that when we are writing, it is going to come to in our life. So if you are writing with no contradictory vibration, and then every desire will automatically come into a real life. Okay, so that is how it is normally happens. Ask, as soon as you ask, it is given to you. But the only reason it is not coming to you because of our doubt, because of the vibration at which we are, which is not matching to what we want or our desires and goals, because there is resistance in our vibration or in our vortex, and that is only reason our desires are not coming immediately to us as soon as we ask. So to relieve this resistance, to be in that high vibrational level, we should start writing. We have to pretend that we are a writer. As a script writer, we have to pretend that we are a writer, and whatever we will write will be performed exactly as we have written in the script. So our only job is to write whatever we want, each and everything. We have to describe it in detail, everything. So I can give you my example. Actually, when I was not married, I was writing gratitude practice daily, but before that also I have exactly written about the characteristic of my husband, how I want him to be. So I have written about his his looks, his height, his weight of the body, his skin color, complexion, what job he must be doing, and what is the salary he must be having, and what is how would he behave, what is his normal character, and everything I have written in detail. And I'm very happy to share with you that I got exactly and even more than that. So that is how you can write about each and everything, and this process will help you to be more specific about your desires, and with that greater clarity about exactly what you do desire, you will feel the power of the specific focus. And the longer we concentrate on a subject, the more detail we give it, the faster that energy will move and the faster it will come into our life. So practicing this scripting about each and everything that we want in our life, that is, for example, if you want your like a new job where it will be, what will your boss be like, what will be the timing, what will be the salary package, in what place you want. So accordingly you be very specific while scripting about whatever you want as a desire. So if we play this game very often, and when we while playing the game, if we put all our good feeling thought and we enjoy this game, then it is definitely going to give you the amazing evidence of this power of the game. That is immediately within 2-3 days, or within the same day, you can able to have these signals that yes, you are going to manifest your dream. So scripting is one of those process that offers to assist the universe to give you what you actually want in your life. Okay, so I hope you understood it, and I hope you will start scripting about your life, which is the movie which you want to direct. So thank you so much, and if you have any doubt, any problem, please let me know. Thank you.